Testing Dictaphone Jammer BDA-2. Turn on ultrasound.
And never look apart when it's all said and done. When it's all said.
Один, два, три, тест, проверка, тест, проверка. Раз, два, три, один, тест, два, проверка, проверка, проверка.
In order to jam iPhone 7, you need to turn on sound mode to about 10%. Effective jamming distance is up to 3.5 meters. For best efficiency, you need to be behind BDA-2 jammer. Combination of ultrasound mode and sound mode is used against professional eavesdropping through the window or for protection against laser microphone.